Hi guys, just sitting here channeling my inner Shania Twain with his hair. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm super excited because I got some things in the mail this week. I wanted to share with you guys. They're not true unboxings, but you guys know I'm very impatient and I could not wait to tear into these boxes. The first item I ordered from Fashionphile. This is my very first Fashionphile experience and it will not be my last. I'm so excited about this item. And I also got something in the mail from Louis Vuitton. Well, actually, it's not from Louis Vuitton. It's from Beckman. So stick around. Now, you know, before we get started, I need to show you my bag of the week, and it is my gorgeous Capucines in the BB size. No, the PM size. And I have been carrying this all week. I did exchange one day when it was raining. I carried it all last week, minus one day, and I think I'm going to carry it again this week. It's really hard to put it down once I get this bag out. I absolutely love this bag. And one more thing I wanted to show you guys. I thought this was so cute. This t-shirt that I'm wearing, it says, "Leave the judging to Jesus." I'm telling you guys, the world would be a better place if we would be less judgmental. All right, let's get into this video. I thought we would start out with my very first Fashionphile purchase, and I am so excited to show you guys what I got. I look on there all the time, and until now I never really purchased anything from them, but wow, this will not be my last experience. So you open up the box and you have the confetti and you have the Fashionphile emery board, so that, and then a thank you card. You guys know the drill. If you're watching me, you've probably seen a million of these Fashionphile unboxings. And what is important, let me move some of this confetti out of the way. What's important is what is in this box. I got something in a little orange box. What could it be, you ask? If you know me, you probably know what it is. So here it is. I'm so excited. Bam! Look at these. My very first pair of Hermes earrings, and you know, I truly believe that you should go big or go home. But when I saw these, I was like, oh my Lord, I need these in my life. And they're 3 inches long. Look how gorgeous they are. I was absolutely thrilled when I saw these. These are my kind of... That didn't just happen. Okay, I can barely contain my excitement. All right, here they are up close. The Collier de Chain, and I know I'm not saying that right, earrings by Hermes. So I'm going to put them on for you guys and wear them the rest of the video. I couldn't wait to do this unboxing because I couldn't wait to wear them. It's like I already opened them up and looked at them, but I have not worn them. And when I first got them out, I thought, how do you get the back off? So what it is, you push this little area in. There's like a little, I don't think that's going to pick up. But they're not like regular earrings. You have, actually it has like a safety feature here. So you push in that little area and then it releases. All right, I need to take these little earrings off. These are just some little Kate Spade earrings, and sometimes I do wear small earrings. I've had these for a while. They're the color of my birthstone. Well, sort of. But I have become obsessed, you guys, as if I need another obsession. I have become obsessed with Hermes jewelry. So I splurged. When I saw these, it was like, whoa, these were made for me. So the backs are a little different. They actually have a safety feature and you have to kind of push it in. There's like a little area here that you push in before you can actually get this little back out. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them on and wear them the rest of the video if I don't drop them. I'm just too excited, you guys. This is This is real because I have not even tried these on yet, so I can't wait to see what they look like on me. All right, 20 minutes later, here I am wearing my Hermes earrings. The backs are going to take a little getting used to. Oh my goodness, they're so pretty, so pretty. I love them. Okay, so that is my very first Fashionphile purchase, and I have another item from Louis Vuitton. This is something, you guys, that I have been trying to get my hands on, and here's the sad part. At one point I did have this item and sent it back. Well, I regretted it ever since, and I have not been able to find it unless I want to pay double retail, and I'm not about that life. So my friend Beckman, she was shopping one day and she knew that I wanted this, and she said, there's two in my Louis Vuitton store. Would you like me to get one for you? And I'm like, yes, girl, get it. So thank you, Autumn, so much. I am so thrilled with this item because like I said, I have searched high and low for this, and let me show you what she picked up for me. Another orange box. And I have looked at it. I've actually used it already, so it's not a true unboxing because I'm just too impatient. So here it is. Open up the little drawer, reach in here, pull out the little goodie. Do you guys have any idea what this item is? Take a guess down below, and let me reveal to you what Autumn found for me. I have the best friends on YouTube, you guys. We are a true family of friends. Yes, I got the little Louis Vuitton key clay. It is so hard to get your hands on. You're never gonna find it on the website. So I'm so excited, and I had it hanging off my bag the other day. I was so happy, and my husband's like, why are you so excited over something so small? And I'm like, you have no idea. These little items are so hard to find. Autumn found it for me. Thank you so much, Autumn. I really appreciate it. I love it. I remember a couple years ago, or several years ago, I did find one on the website. I think that's really before they became so difficult to find. I did send mine back, but it wasn't cut. I mean, it was like one side was rounded and one side was, I don't know, angled, and I didn't like the way it looked. And ever since, I just wished I had kept it, but this one looks perfect. She said they had two at her store, and she picked out the most perfect one, and I'm so appreciative to you, Autumn. I'm so thrilled to have this little piece in my collection. And you know, I always say I'm not really a huge small leather goods person. I mean, I don't collect. Like, I don't have like 6 compact wallets and have every card case you can imagine, but I do buy small leather goods, the ones that I will use. I'm just super excited to have this. I cannot thank you enough, Autumn. So that is my little goodie from Louis Vuitton, my first purchase from Fashionphile. And you guys, I already have a couple other things that will be coming my way soon. I'm just obsessed with Hermes jewelry. It's such beautiful quality. And so I'm really happy about these. And you guys, if you don't know, Fashionphile has a reserve program. So I actually put down a down payment on these and paid them off, just a couple payments. You actually get 60 days to pay off your purchase. So you put down a deposit, and then you can just make a payment anytime, and when it's paid in full, they'll send you the items. So I think that's really great. I don't know if that's a new thing, but I didn't know about it until recently, and I'm going to take advantage of that. I wanted to share with you guys my new goodies that I got, tell you guys how much I appreciate you. I am fast approaching 2,000 subscribers, so I'm going to buy a little gift, do a giveaway. I'm not sure really, I don't really have it planned yet, but something nice. And just to show my appreciation to all of you. So help me get to 2,000 subscribers, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also follow me on Instagram, YotaStyle Luxe. And I will see you guys again next week. Bye-bye.